Welcome. Ready to turn your hard-earned savings into a powerful investment engine? We're laying out the step-by-step path to financial growth. Saving is the foundation, but investing is how you truly build long-term wealth. Learn how to make your money work harder for you. The first step is a clear look at your current financial situation. Know what you have and what you owe. Next, define your financial goals. Are you saving for a down payment, retirement, or something else? Specific goals determine your investment strategy. Before investing, secure your foundation. Establish an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. This acts as your financial safety net. Understand your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with market volatility? Your comfort level should guide your investment choices. Time to choose where to put your money. There are several vehicles available, each with different risks and rewards. Explore traditional investments like individual stocks, bonds, or diversified mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs. Consider retirement accounts like 401k or IRA for tax advantages, or use taxable brokerage accounts for accessible funds. You'll need an account to buy investments. Open a brokerage account with a reliable firm. Select a platform with low fees and user-friendly tools. Research different brokers to find one that fits your needs and budget. Once you've chosen, set up your account, complete the necessary forms, and securely link your bank account to fund your investments. Don't wait for a large sum. Start small and commit to regular investing. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. For your first investment, consider low-cost index funds, or ETFs. They offer immediate diversification and are great starting points. Diversification is crucial. Spread your risk across different assets, sectors, and geographies to protect against market fluctuations. Make investing effortless by embracing automation. Automation ensures consistency, regardless of market conditions. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your brokerage account and automate recurring investments. This takes the emotion out of investing. Regularly review your portfolio, usually once a year, and rebalance it to ensure it still aligns with your original risk tolerance and goals. Consistency is key to investment success. Start today, stay disciplined, and watch your savings transform into lasting